So, Ghana has made an impressive discovery, a new mineral ripe for exploration in the southern part of Ghana, more towards the central region. This unexpected discovery would help improve our mining and exploration sectors, having a vast array of benefits that comes with its discovery. This video covers the find and its current progress. Be sure to stick with me till the end to get all the details surrounding this amazing discovery. So Ghana recently discovered a new mineral. This exciting find was made at Bawuze Mankwase in the Chebe-Winneba belt of southern Ghana, and it holds immense potential for the country's economic and industrial future. Tantalum is not just your average mineral, it plays a crucial role in clean energy technology, electronics and much more. Let's dive deeper into what this means for Ghana and how it's set to benefit the nation. This discovery was made through research led by Dr. Emmanuel Danoba Sunkari, a lecturer at the University of Mines and Technology in Tarkwa, in collaboration with Joshua Nkansa, a postdoctoral research fellow at the University of Johannesburg and also of UMAT, and Salam Jansbaka Adams from the University of Environment and Sustainable Development in Somunya. Their published paper focuses on the geochemical exploration for tantalum in coltan-rich pegmatites at the Bawuze Mankwase area of the Chebe-Winneba belt. Through detailed studies and statistical analysis, the researchers identified tantalum deposits within the igneous rock known as pegmatite. Pegmatites are abundant in southern Ghana, particularly in areas like Iwuya, which is the area you all know Ghana's lithium mine is supposed to be, Buruwa, Winneba, Bawuze and Mankwase. The southwestern portion of the study area shows significant geochemical anomalies indicating high concentrations of tantalum. So, why is this such a big deal? Well, tantalum is an incredibly valuable mineral, essential in the production of capacitors used in everything from solar panels and wind turbines to electric vehicles. This mineral is a key player in the global shift towards clean energy and renewable technologies, which means Ghana is now positioned to be a major contributor to this growing industry. The ability of tantalum to store and transport energy efficiently makes it a critical component in energy-saving technologies. Harnessing these tantalum deposits can significantly boost Ghana's foreign exchange earnings by supplying the global market with this in-demand material. Additionally, the byproducts from tantalum mining, such as bitumen, can further enhance the nation's clean energy capabilities. Beyond just energy storage, tantalum is used in various industries due to its unique properties. This shiny silvery metal is highly corrosion resistant, making it an ideal material for use in high temperature devices like aircraft engines. It's also used extensively in electronic components and is crucial in manufacturing capacitors, the small but vital part of nearly all electrical devices we use today. The medical field is also not left out. It also benefits from tantalum's properties, as it is used in medical implants and dental applications. Its corrosion resistance means that it remains durable and safe inside the human body, making it an ideal material for long-term medical use. This is to show you how vital this material is, and if not for use in Ghana, its exploration is very vital. Ghana stands to gain a lot economically from this discovery, as global demand for tantalum grows, particularly with the shift towards renewable energy. Ghana could become a key supplier. This means increased export revenue, job creations in mining and related industries, and new opportunities for technological development. Moreover, the extraction and proper management of tantalum deposits could help Ghana reduce its dependence on traditional fossil fuels and contribute to reducing global greenhouse gas emissions. With tantalum's capacitors playing a key role in renewable energy systems, Ghana is poised to make a significant impact on the global clean energy transition. This new tantalum discovery is more than just a mineral find, it's a game changer for Ghana if properly managed. The potential benefits are vast, from boosting the country's economy to positioning Ghana as a leader in clean energy revolution. With tantalum playing such a crucial role in energy storage, electronics and even medical technologies, this is an exciting time for the nation. What are your thoughts on this groundbreaking discovery? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more updates on Ghana's latest development. We'll keep you posted on the progress of this tantalum discovery and what it means for the future of the country. Until next time, stay tuned and stay optimistic.